Hey, what's up guys? This is Gabriel Machuret and welcome to this course about how to launch your own WSO wire special offer. I'm excited to show you a few tricks that we have in place technically to talk about how you can actually launch your own wire special offer, and mainly to show you how we can actually help you towards making your WSO hopefully a success. Okay, so the most important point to understand here is that any WSO, any product that you launch in the internet marketing world, there needs to have a few conditions for the product to succeed. And the first thing is research. So we're going to talk about researching what kind of product to launch. And obviously it all depends on your experience, on your background, on your dedication. But there's going to be a few little tips I'm going to give you that is going to help you to more or less facilitate the process. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to try to do some research. And the best place to research is actually, well, the Wire forum. So we have all these kind of topics that we have in the Wire forum, plus we have all these different type of categories. And one of the things you can actually do is you can actually go to these sections inside the forum and trying to technically read what people are asking. So in this case, I'm actually a fan of SEO. I'm going to go to the SEO category in the Wire forum. And one of the things I'm going to do is I'm just going to look at potentially questions that people are asking. And these questions are going to be the first little clue that I'm going to try to obtain to launch my own WSO or my own product. So the whole idea is very simple, and this works in any kind of niche, is we're going to be looking at what people are asking and technically trying to find if what we can do is going to help them to answer those questions. So in this case, I have one here that is about link building. I'm going to go and look here for most recent. So we have dead backlinks. So this is one about backlinks. There's another question here about backlinks again. Interesting. Let's keep going looking here. This is about URL structure, domain name, links. Okay, another one. Perfect. I see another one about SEO off page that is actually link building. And then it's another one called link building strategy, and this one is what is the new link building trends for 2019. I'm going to look at this one a little bit and see what people are actually commenting here. So let's load here. Oh, looks a bit weird. It's actually my internet is the cause here of the problems. Okay, so one of the things that we look here is the comments and the interaction people are asking. And what we're trying to do is trying to be as objective as possible and trying to ignore potentially trolling or comments that are around there. We want to be sure that we're actually going to find the information. So here we go. Someone posts this information here: backlinks, testimonial, blog post, guest blogging, article submission. So this is interesting because this allows me to have a backbone of things to research. Okay, so this is actually kind of cool. So my main point here is by reading the answers, you're starting to get where people are heading towards the topic of link building. And one of the most important parts is you need to be able to provide some type of information that is going to solve a question. And this is one of the main problems that people do with their WSOs or with the product, is that you are not technically solving any problem. You're actually, in many cases, we see products that pretend to solve a problem, but in reality, there's no problem. And we see here another one is about backlinks. So this is actually pretty interesting. And what that actually, look at this, help with backlinks once again. So these are the same questions that keep coming look, like how many ways of SEO backlinks? Once again, backlinks, 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 and backlinks. And this makes it very interesting because this is already telling me the topic of backlinking, that if I have some background in SEO like I do, it's going to give me a good guideline of how to launch a WSO that is all about backlinks. So what I'm going to do here in this course is I'm going to actually show you how to launch your own WSO. And I'm going to be doing the whole process, the whole mind mapping, and hopefully you guys are going to be pumped and you go on the ride with me from zero to launching hopefully something epic, something that's going to bring me some profit, something that's going to make me proud, and hopefully something that's going to help the community and the Warrior Forum members. So stay tuned and welcome to this mini course about how to launch your own WSO. I'm excited to be here, and if you have any questions, well, let me know and find me. My username is Gabriel, obviously, at the Warrior Forum, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.